Hello students, now we have learned LCM means least common multiple. The least common multiple of the given number is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given numbers. LCM म्हणजे लसावी. हा लसावी म्हणजे असा नंबर असतो की त्या ठिकाणी दिलेल्या सर्व नंबरनी याला भाग जातो. हा सर्वात लहानात लहान असा अंक असतो की दिलेल्या सर्व अंकांनी त्याला भाग जातो. आता नाव वी हॅव लर्न टू मेथड्स फॉर फाइंड आउट LCM, that is horizontal method and vertical method. Now take first example, 12 and 15. First of all, see horizontal method. Find out the factor, prime factor of 12, that is 2 into 6. Now write 2 as it is and factorize only 6. 2 into 3. Then take 15. 15 is not divisible by 2. Then 3 into 5, 15. Now first of all find out common factor between 12 and 15, that is here is 2 but here is not 2, 2 not 2, here is 3 and 3. There is only one common factor between two numbers, that is 3. Underline the common factor, then find out uncommon factor. Earlier we have seen SCF, highest common factor, which is the multiplication of only common factor, but here is LCM, which is the combination of common factor as well as uncommon factor. Here is 2, 2 and 5 are the uncommon factor, 2 to 5. Then find the product, that is LCM, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Write the numbers in ascending order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60. Therefore, LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. Now take another example, 105 and 195. Here problem looks like very big, but आता आपल्याला पाहताना हे प्रॉब्लेम मोठं दिसते आहे, परंतु याला जर आपण व्यवस्थितरित्या फॅक्टराइज केलं तर नक्कीच आपण हे प्रॉब्लेम इझिली सॉल्व करू शकू. देन फाइंड आउट द प्राइम फॅक्टर ऑफ 105. Here 105 is not divisible by 2. Then use the divisibility test for 3. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Then 3 into 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. 3 into factorize only 35, 5 7s are 35. Then find the factor of 195. Here 195 is not also divisible by 2. 3 into 3 6 are 18, 3 5s are 15. Write 3 as it is, factorize only 65. 5, 13 5s are 65. Here 3 is a prime number, 5 also prime number and 13 is also a prime number. Then find the common factor of 105 and 195. Here is 3, here is also 3. 5 5, 7 not 7, 13 not 13. Then uncommon factor, which is not common between the two given numbers, uncommon factor, that is 7 and 13. Then find out LCM, which is the product of, which is the multiplication of common factor as well as uncommon factor between the given two numbers, that is 3 into 5 into 7 into 13. Here 3 5s are 15, 15 7s are 105, 105, 13s are 1365. This is the LCM of given two numbers. Now here we find out vertical method. आता आपण वर्टिकल मेथडसुद्धा पाहणार आहे. आपण हॉरिझॉन्टल मेथड पाहिली. वर्टिकल मेथडसुद्धा तितकीच इझी आहे जितकी आपण हॉरिझॉन्टल मेथड पाहतो आहे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राईट given two numbers 105 and 195. Then both the numbers is not divisible by 2. Then take 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 1 5 15, 3 5s are 15. Then both the numbers are not divisible by 2, not 3. Then take as usual 5. 5 7s are 35, 13 5s are 65. Then both the numbers are prime number. When prime numbers, आता या ठिकाणी दोन्ही नंबर प्राईम नंबर्स आहेत, 7सुद्धा आणि 13सुद्धा. अशा वेळी याला दुसऱ्या कोणत्याच नंबरने भाग जाऊ शकत नाही, एक आणि त्यांनी स्वतःनी. मग आता पहिल्यांदा स्वतःनी भाग देऊन द्यायचं, 7ला देऊन द्यायचा. 7 1 जा 7. दीज आर द कॉमन फॅक्टर्स अँड दीज आर द अनकॉमन फॅक्टर्स, बट हिअर नॉट शो सेपरेटली. 7 1 जा 7. Here 13 as it is. Then 13 1 are 13. Therefore factors of 105 and 195 is 3, 5, 7, 13. Then LCM of the given two number is 3 into 5 into 7 into 13. That is 1365. This is the vertical method. Now find the LCM of given three numbers, that is 10, 15 and 20. याची सुद्धा आपण फॅक्टरायझेशन मेथडनी म्हणजेच हॉरिझॉन्टल मेथड आणि व्हर्टिकल मेथड दोन्हीही मेथडनी फॅक्टर कसे काढायचे ते आपण पाहणार आहे. Then factorize first of all 10, 2 into 5, then 15, that is 3 into 5, then 20, that is 2 into 10, that is 2 into 2 into 5. Then first of all find out the common factor between three numbers. Here is 2, here is not 2, not 2. Then 5, 5, 5. 5 is common between given three numbers. Then none another common factor. Then common factors between two numbers. आता हे कसे शोधायचे ते आपल्याला थोडंसं लक्ष द्यायचं आहे. आता आपण पहिल्यांदा तीनही नंबरमध्ये कॉमन असणार, तीनही नंबरच्या फॅक्टर्समध्ये कॉमन असणारे नंबर शोधले. आता आपल्याला दोन याच्यामध्ये, मग आता पहिल्यांदा हे दोन घ्यायचे, 10 and 15, 10 and 15. हिअर इज 2, हिअर इज नॉट 2, नॉट 3. मग त्यानंतर 15 आणि 20 घ्यायचे, 3, नॉट 3. देन 10 and 20. हिअर इज 2, 2. एकच कॉमन फॅक्टर मिळाला, तो म्हणजे फक्त 2. देन अनकॉमन फॅक्टर. आता अनकॉमन फॅक्टर की जे 3मध्येही कॉमन मिळाले नाही आणि 2मध्येही कॉमन मिळाले नाही. अनकॉमन फॅक्टर, द नंबर व्हिच इज नॉट कॉमन between the three numbers and two numbers also, that is 3 and 2. Then LCM means multiplication of common as well as uncommon factor. That is, write the given number in ascending order 2, 2, 3 and 5. Count these number 1, 2, 3, 4. त्या नंबरला काउंट करून घ्यायचं जेणेकरून एकही नंबर त्यामधून सुटायला नको. देन 5 3 जा 15, 15 2 जा 30, 30 2 जा 60. 60 is the least common multiple of 10, 15 and 20. Here is the division method, vertical method. Vertical method is also easy. Ten, 15 and 20. Here only two numbers are divisible by 2. Then take 3. 15 is also only divisible by 3. Then 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. Then 2, 3 are the prime numbers. 4 is only composite number. Then अशा वेळी आपल्याला ज्यावेळी असे नंबर दिलेले असतात प्राईम नंबर, त्यावेळी असा नंबर शोधायचा की यानंतर कोणत्याही दोन नंबरला भाग जाईल ती संख्या आपल्याला पाहायची आहे. दॅट इज 2. 2 1 जा 2. हिअर 3 ॲज इट इज. 2 2 जा 4. देन टेक 3. 3 1 जा 3. 2 ॲज इट इज. देन टेक 2. 2 1 जा 2. These are the uncommon factor listed above. Then then LCM of the given numbers is, write the given number in ascending order. That is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 5 3 is 15. 15 2 is 30 and 32 is 60. Here is the least common multiple of given 10, 15 and 20 is 60. Here is another example, that is 18, 36 and 27. Here we take only vertical method. Find out which number is the divisor of given all the number. 2, not. Here is only two numbers, but 27 is not divisible by 2. Then take 3. 3 6 is 18. 3 12 is 36. 3 9 is 27. Then another take, all the given numbers are divisible by 3. Then 3 2 is 6. 3 4 is 12. 3 3 is 9. आता परत 2 आणि 3 अशा नंबर आहेत की जे प्राईम नंबर आहेत. त्यामुळं असा नंबर शोधायचा की या तीनही याला भाग जाईल असा कोणताच नंबर नाही आहे. त्यामुळे 2 याला भाग जाईल असा नंबर शोधायचा आहे, तो आहे 2. हिअर 2 1 जा 2. 2 2 जा 4. 3 ॲज इट इज. देन 2 2 1 जा 2. देन 3 3 1 जा 3. Then find out the LCM. Write the given factors in ascending order. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. 27 2 is 54. 54 2 is 108. Here is the LCM of given three numbers 18, 36 and 27 is 108. By using this method we can solve practice set 13. Then problem question number 2, that is, find the SCF and LCM of the numbers given below. Verify that their product is equal to the product of the given numbers. आपल्याला LCM आणि SCF काढायचे आहे, जे खाली जे नंबर दिलेले आहेत, आणि त्यांना व्हेरीफाय सुद्धा करायचं आहे की त्यांचा प्रोडक्ट इज इक्वल टू द LCM अँड SCF. सुरुवातीला आपल्याला पहिल्यांदा त्यांचा LCM आणि SCF काढून घ्यावं लागणार आहे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेक फर्स्ट नंबर 32 and 37. Find out the factor of 32. 2 into 16. 2 into 2 into 8. 2 into 2 into 2 into 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Check it. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Then 37. 37 is a prime number. Therefore, 1 into 37 is the only factor. Then find out common factor between the two. There is no common factor between the two, that is 1. And uncommon factor, that is 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma and 37. Then as we have earlier seen, SCF means multiplication of only common factor. Here the SCF is only 1, and LCM means the multiplication of common factor as well as uncommon factor. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 37. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. 32 into 37 is 1184. These are the co-prime numbers. There is no common factor between the given two numbers. Then let's check the GCD multiplied by, here we use formula SCF or GCD multiplied by LCM is equal to the product of given numbers. SCF is 1 multiplied by LCM is 1184. Here product of given two number, that is 32 multiplied by 37. 1184 1 is 1184, and the product of given two number is 1184. By using this formula, we can also find SCF or LCM when the from these three quantities, two quantities are given. आपण या पद्धतीने SCF किंवा LCM काढू शकतो ज्यावेळी या तीन गोष्टींपैकी SCF, LCM आणि प्रॉडक्ट ऑफ गिवन टू नंबर या तीन गोष्टींपैकी आपल्याला दोन गोष्टी दिलेल्या असतील. Here LHS left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now practice set 14 is a revision for all the methods. Here we can see problem number 1 you can solve, 2, 3 is also you can solve. Now see problem number 4. Find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. It is the smallest number. Smallest means least, that is LCM. Now we have to find LCM of the given number, that is 8. Here we use vertical method. 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20. First of all, find the number which is divisor of given all the number 8, 9, 10, 15, 20. There is no number which divide all the given numbers. Then first take 2. 2 4s are 8, 9 as it is, 2 5s are 10, 15 as it is, which is not divisible by 2. Then 10 to the 20. Then take 5, 4 as it is, 9 it is, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Then take 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 2. Then 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. Then LCM of the given factors, that is 2 into 5 into, sorry, write in ascending order, 2 in 3 times, 2 2 2, then 3 3, and then 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 5 3 is 15, 15 3 is 45, 45 2 is 90, 92 is 180, 182 is 360. देन त्यांनी सांगितलेलं आपल्याला गिव्ज अ रिमाइंडर ऑफ 5 एव्हरी टाईम. यातल्या या प्रत्येक नंबरनी या LCMला त्या नंबरला भागल्यानंतर प्रत्येक वेळी आपला रिमाइंडर किती येतो आहे, 5 येतो आहे. देन गिवन नंबर इज 360 plus 5, which is reminder 5. Then 365 is the given number. This is the smallest number, which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20, we give a reminder of 5 every time. Then problem number 5, reduce the fraction. Here are 3 fractions are given to the lowest term. Here we see the division method in SCF. You can solve by using this method. See the previous video for this. Then problem number 6, the LCM and SCF of two numbers are 432 and 72 respectively. Here SCF is 72 and LCM is 432. If one of the number is 216, first number is 216, and we have to calculate second number that we doesn't know, known to us is x. By using formula SCF multiplied by LCM is equal to the product of two numbers. Place the values. SCF is 72 and LCM is 732. Here 216 multiplied by x. Here x moves transport 72 multiplied by 432. Here 216 is in multiplication. When it goes to the other side, that is in denominator or in division. 72 1s are 72, 72 3s are 216, that is 432 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, remaining 1, 13, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12. The second number is 144. By using this formula, we can calculate SCF, LCM or the product of two numbers. Problem number 8. A trader has 3 bundles of string, 392 meter, 308 meter and 490 meter. What is the greatest length? Greatest means highest of string that the bundles can be cut up into without any left over string. Here is the greatest. Greatest means here we can find out SCF of given numbers. The given numbers are 392 meter, 308 meter, 490 meter. Use division method to calculate the SCF of given number 392, 308, 490. First of all, choose number which is divisor of all the given number, that is 2. All the 3 numbers are divisible by 2. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5 are 10. Then 2, take 2. Here 196 and 154 is divisible by 2, not 245. By 3, this number also not divisible. By 5, not. Then take another number. As we earlier seen, the given numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 prime numbers. Then take 7. 7 for the, yes, 7 2 the 14, 7 8 the 56, 7 2 the 14, 7 2 the 14. Then 7 3 the 21 and 7 5 the 35. Here take another number which is the divisor of all the three number. Here we can find SCF, which is the multiplication of only common factor, not common as well as uncommon factor. There is no another number which is divisor of given 28, 22 and 35. Therefore SCF of given number is 2 into 7, that is 14 meter. Here 14 is the greatest length of string that the bundle can be cut up into without any leftover string. By using this method, we can calculate SCF and LCM